Hi, this is Michelle Roebuck, and I want to thank you for watching this video on how to make money with affiliate marketing fast. And in this video, I'm going to show you a system that you can use to earn $2,000 commissions over and over again. So on my screen right here is a system called Profits Passport, and it was created by David Deacle. Okay, David Deacle has made 7 figures in affiliate marketing, and he's really good at creating systems to help convert leads into sales. And there are a lot of people who are using this system. It's been out for the past probably 3 months now, where people are earning these $2,000 commissions. And as you can see on my screen here, it says discover how to make $2,000 instant commissions with 100% free traffic. And traffic, if you don't know what that is, traffic is just a way of getting people to see your offer. Some people pay for traffic, like with Google ads, Facebook ads, YouTube ads, solo ads. But with this system, you can use free traffic methods in order to generate leads for your business. And free traffic methods are like Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook Reels, Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, making YouTube videos like this one. These are all free traffic methods that you can use to generate leads that will go to this system, Profits Passport, using your affiliate link, and you can earn $2,000 commissions if they decide to get into the first income stream. So Profits Passport is a sales funnel system that has several different income streams inside of it. And you don't have to join all these income streams in order to make money. But I will tell you this, the majority of people in Profits Passport, the majority of the money that they're making are coming from income stream number 1, which is a company called E1U Life. Okay, E1U Life has been around since 2016. It had a different name back then, but it's been rebranded, it's been redesigned. You know, the compensation plan, there's been some enhancements. It's a completely different company than it was in 2016, and it's for the better. So I really like this opportunity. This is my long-term opportunity, E1U Life, and I'm going to show you more about that in a moment. But I wanted to concentrate right now on Profits Passport, where you don't have to have a website of your own in order to make these $2,000 commissions. All you have to do is get traffic to this system using your affiliate link, and this is your affiliate link right here. You'll have a different number right here. This is my affiliate number right there. But all you have to do is just copy this affiliate link and start promoting it. And if you don't know how to promote how to promote as an affiliate marketer, don't worry about that. Forgive me, there's a siren going off right now. You don't have to worry about that. All you have to do is get into the system, and David Deacle will show you how to use free traffic in order to promote Profits Passport and to promote your affiliate link. Okay, so as you can see here, income stream number 1 is E1U Life, where you can make up to $2,000 instant commissions paid directly to you. Okay, so you don't have to wait for these commissions. There's a lot of affiliate programs out there, and I've been in them, where you had to wait 45 days to get your commissions, or 30 days to get your commissions. Some were a little better, where you only had to wait like 2 weeks or a week to get your commissions. But with E1U Life, you get these commissions instantly. Okay, paid instantly to you at the same moment that the company receives their portion of the sale of the product. Okay, so there's other income streams in here, and I'm going to be perfectly honest with you, I'm not in any of these other income streams at the moment. Okay, I'm just in the first income stream. I use Profits Passport to promote E1U Life. Okay, sometimes I promote it on my own, but other times I use Profits Passport because David Deacle is better at doing the selling and telling than I am. Okay, so I'm not going to go into a lot of detail about Profits Passport because David, he'll explain everything to you. All you have to do is click the very first link below this video in the description area. When you go to that link, put in your email address, and you're going to be invited to a webinar. Okay, It's about an hour or hour and a half, so make sure that you block off some time and sit in your comfortable chair, whatever, and watch the entire webinar, because David is going to explain how this system works, okay? And he's going to show people who are making these $2,000 commissions over and over again. And he's also going to explain to you how to promote Profits Passport, how to get your system set up and everything, okay? So make sure you watch the entire webinar. After the webinar, you can go in and create your free account, okay? So this system right here doesn't cost any money. You can create a free account inside of Profits Passport, and once you do, you'll land on this page here, and there's this short video. It's about, let's see, 19 minutes. Watch this entire video because David's going to break down and explain to you step by step how to get signed up into these different income streams. Again, you don't have to get into all these income streams right now if you don't want to. He does have a special welcome week bonuses that expire after like 7 days. So if you do come in at the $2,000 level in income stream number 1 in your first week, you're going to receive some bonuses, okay? And some of these bonuses are associated with some of these income streams, like income stream number 2. So make sure that you're ready to get started when you create your free account, okay? But you don't have to worry about how to get started, how to find your links or anything like that. There's your affiliate link. This is all you promote. You don't have to worry about email follow-ups to your leads. David will follow up with your leads on your behalf through email, and he'll send out those emails every day to your leads, redirecting them back to either the webinar or to create a free account, and they're tagged to you. So, you know, you're going to get the sale once they sign up to income stream number 1. Okay. And then he has these tutorials under each income stream. So these tutorials will show you exactly step by step how to sign up for these income streams. Okay. Now, having said all that, I did want to go over E1U Life real quickly. I'm not going to go over everything because David will explain a lot about the compensation plan and things like that. I just want to explain in more detail about what exactly are you paying for when you get into income stream number 1, because I've seen a lot of people who get involved with either Profits Passport or E1U Life. They pay their money, but they don't know what they've purchased. Okay, they don't have a clue as to what they've just purchased. They just ready to get their affiliate link and start promoting. But you can't be a really good affiliate marketer, a good salesperson if you don't know what the products are. Okay, and these products, you can use these products to brand yourself. Being a marketer, being an internet marketer, affiliate marketer, it's important to brand yourself or to brand your company. So that gives you more credibility in your industry. So these products, let me go to their sales page here. These products help to brand yourself or your company. Doesn't matter what business you're in. You don't have to use these products for E1U Life. You can use these products for whatever business you're in, or if you have a nonprofit that you run, you can create some of these. You can use some of these products to brand your nonprofit. Okay. Build out a nonprofit website or something. So what you're getting are custom web packages. They have, you know, graphic designers who are part of their team that will personalize and customize websites, landing pages, opt-in pages, social media images for you, and also customize your own logo, your own company logo. Okay, and it's designed specifically for your business or organization. Again, this is to help you brand yourself or brand your company. And like it says here, it's better than drag and drop, because all you have to do is simply request what you want, and when they receive it, they'll build it out for you and you get it within about 48 hours. Okay, so let me show you exactly what it is here. They have a team of experienced designers, developers, and project managers ready to help you build and establish your online presence. Okay, they are your personal web building team. Coding websites, designing sales pages, writing email campaigns is what every business organization needs to establish an online presence, but many don't have the time, knowledge, or budget to make it happen. So their goal is to take that burden from you. They will do it for you, okay? They'll create all of these email campaigns, the designs of the sales pages, websites, all of this for you. Customize your own logo for you, okay? So this is how it works pretty much. You create an account inside of E1U Life, okay? It's free to create an account. And then you choose which product package you want. Again, the highest product package, the total cost is $2,500. Okay, so for $2,500, you're going to get everything that's in all 6 of the product packages. Okay, so once you choose a product package to purchase, and these are one-time payments, you submit a request when you're ready to do so to design. Simply fill out the form for it, send it in, and then they may contact you in order to get some more specificity about what you want, like what colors you want, how you want your website to look, things like that, okay? And then they'll turn around and you'll receive your design, usually within 48 hours, depending on how busy they are, okay? So here are some testimonials that you can read on your own time about people who are quite satisfied with the work that they've had done. There's an actor who is part of E1U Life who had a custom website designed for him by the E1U Life team to show off his acting work. He's been in some commercials and stuff, so he has like some short videos of his commercial work and stuff like that. So he has a whole branding website that was created by the E1U Life team. Okay, so here are the 6 packages that you could choose from. Like I said, with the $2,500 Vertex Live package, you get everything. You get your own customized opt-in pages, social media packs. These are custom images that are created by the team. You tell them what you want on these images, like what wording you want on the images, and you can use these on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, whatever. Custom email templates, a custom logo, and a custom multi-page funnel, and also a built-for-you website. Okay, so that's what you get for a one-time purchase price of $2,500. Now, if you went anywhere else to get all of this work done, I'm talking custom work done for you, it would cost way more than $2,500. It would cost tens of thousands of dollars to get all of this done professionally. Okay, so you're getting a huge bargain for a one-time $2,500 to have all of this custom work done. Okay, Vertex Pro, let's see, the only thing that you don't get is the built for you website. Vertex Elite, you get everything except for the multi-page funnel and the built for you website. Vertex, you get the opt-in pages, social media pack, and the email templates for $275. Elevation Elite for $110, you get the opt-in pages and the social media pack. And for Elevation Basic, you get the opt-in pages. Okay? They also have some additional products. They have their own autoresponder and their own hosting platform. So the websites and the opt-in pages and stuff and the multi-page funnels, they can be hosted on their own hosting platform instead of hosting them somewhere else like HostGator or GoDaddy. Okay, so but you'll find out more about that once you're inside of the system here, this program here. So that's what you're purchasing for your $2,500, is to get all this custom website design work done for you. Okay, and not only that, there are some training videos in each package that you get for free when you purchase one of these package levels. Okay, so with Vertex Live, you're going to get all of the training videos that are included in these 6 packages. Okay, so not only that, you also become eligible to receive instant commissions of $2,000, $1,000, $500, $250, $100, and $25. Okay, so that is the benefit of getting the Vertex Live package, is that you get all of the other packages included. Okay, so I just wanted to go over that because a lot of people, they get involved in this or some other opportunity and they don't know what the hell they purchased. Okay, so I wanted to explain that, put some more detail into that. He does mention that, David does mention that, but he doesn't go into detail about those products. I wanted to go into more detail about it. So if you're ready to get started with Profits Passport and making those instant $2,000 commissions, go ahead, click the link below, put in your email address. Again, set aside a block of time, about an hour, hour and a half, to watch his webinar where he will explain how everything works and how you can create your free account and get started. Get started with income stream number 1. You get those bonuses if you come in at the Vertex Live level during your welcome week. Okay, so again, I want to thank you for watching this video on how to make money with affiliate marketing fast in 2023. Talk to you soon. Bye.